Now, what if I told you that a simple t-shirt could transform your team building event from meh to memorable? So imagine walking into a room and everyone is matching with custom design apparel that screams team spirit and unity. That is the power of custom apparel, and today we're gonna dive in to see how we can make this work for your team. So hopefully you know this, but team building events aren't just about the activities, they're about the connection. And here's how custom apparel can help with that. Number one, they can build a sense of belonging, making your team feel like they're a part of something bigger. The second one is enhance the event branding itself so that your event looks amazing as it feels. And number three is boost the team morale, the team spirit, helping your crew collaborate and connect in ways that they didn't think were possible. So how do you create apparel that your team is actually gonna love and wear? This is always a question that we get, and I think I got a good answer for you. Here's some ideas. Event theme logos. You can add your name, your event, and the year. It's a good keepsake, always a good go-to. The next one is an inspirational message. Motivate your team with quotes that align with your company vibe and, company values. The last one is fun graphics, inside jokes. So you can go with the mascot, the logo, let your culture shine. And the last one is don't forget about the color coordination. Bold hues energize, while, softer tones are gonna go for a little bit more of a chill vibe. Quick pause. Need custom apparel for your next company or team event? RealThread has made it easy for you to create super stylish, high quality pieces that your team is absolutely gonna love. From soft tees to durable hoodies, we've got options for every single type of activity, indoors or outdoors. So sign up for our newsletter for deals and discounts throughout the year, and follow us on social media for updates and fresh ideas. Don't miss out. Your event matters, so pick apparel that matches the vibe of the event. For outdoor activities, go with a lightweight tee or hats. Indoor workshops, go with the cozy hoodie. And for the sporting events, choose breathable performance fabrics. And if you want to go beyond the basics, add custom neck tags, hem tags, or professional folding or packaging. It's really nice touches. It's the little touches that make your gear unforgettable. So with all that said, if you're ready to unite your team with custom apparel, let RealThread help you with the design pieces that elevate your next event. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms for updates, deals, and inspiration. And hey, if you like this video, please do me a favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and drop us a comment. Write anything. You can just write team building, right? We love team building. Anyways, what's your go-to team building activity? We want to hear your ideas. So please leave us a comment and let us know.